Welcome, or should I say welcome. We are on day 6 of taking an egg carton and transforming it into ocean animals. So today, as you might have guessed, is a whale, and I think it looks like a humpback whale. And humpback whales are incredible, awe-inspiring animals that are world travelers. So, are you ready to get crafting? I am. So before we dive into the craft, see what it looks like so you know where we're headed. I've made a stencil that you can download to make it easier for you. So you can find out how to download it in the description below. Here's how to hang it if you want to decorate a Christmas tree or keep it up all year round. Here's how mine came out. Yours is going to look beautiful. You could add eyes if you wanted to. We only have one ocean animal left in this Upcycled Egg Carton Challenge. I can't believe it. This has been so much fun, and I hope you've been inspired to make your own. So any guesses on the last one? I think you are going to love it. So stay tuned tomorrow and dive deeper into my other videos for more ocean love.